Hi guys, today we're going to talk about singer Tina Turner. Tina Turner, who passed away a few days ago, she was one of the greatest female rock singer in America. She was quite successful and quite famous, and she sold 100 million albums. So she really made some money during her career, talking about 25 years career. She was quite wealthy. She was married to a German guy and they've been together for 25 years. His name is Erwin Bach. He was by her side during her long illness. And now we hear that there might be a battle looming between her widower and her children. She was married to Ike Turner in the 60s. They divorced, but they had 4 children. 3 that she adopted, who were his children with previous relationships, and 1 that they had together. Unfortunately, 2 of the children has passed and 2 are left. So the 2 kids are said to be gearing up for a fight because they never accepted Erwin as her husband. They didn't like him. They disliked him, actually. And they say that he was pressuring their mother to allegedly change things, but not in their favor. She stopped giving them money, and she made sure, according to some, that he will be getting a large chunk of her estate when she's no longer there. Some people say that it's unfair because these are the children of Tina Turner and that he's only the husband. Well, he's the husband. Some people seem to have an issue with the fact that he's white and he's getting the money from Tina, who is black and who fought all her life for racism and whatever, and that it's sad that it doesn't go to the black community. So personally, I think that they've been married for 25 years, regardless that whether you're black or white. If you're with your wife for 25 years, you're loyal to her, you hold her hand when she's dying or when she has illness, I think that you're entitled to a lot of the money, right? Not to say that she has to disinherit her children, but that he need to have equal or more if she had thought that he deserved it. It's sad to say, but that's how it is. So social media always has an opinion on people's business, including me, you would say, but yeah, I agree. But they were very negative towards the husband, Erwin Bach. People said that they did not trust him. Because of what? I don't know. Why? I don't know. But Tina Turner worked hard for her money, so it's her right to decide to give it to anyone she'd like, right? If she thought that they did something for her and that they deserve it. Let me know what you think. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to click on like if it's the case, subscribe for more videos, and click on the notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. Thank you.